Hey friends, if the second graphics card is not detected on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and go to the Device Manager window. Now, expand the list for display adapters here. Right click on the first one and update drivers. And once this is done, click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Does the second graphics card driver show here? If not, straight away take it to the hardware technician. And if it does show there and if it's not replicating on the system, simply right click on the start button, select settings, and then you can go to the system tab, scroll down to recovery, go to recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything and let it load, and finally select cloud download and next. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.